Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a lost Apple ID, full guide step by step clearly. To recover a lost Apple ID, start by opening the Apple ID account page. Navigate to the Forgot Apple ID or Password link. Click on the link to initiate the recovery process. Enter your first name, last name, and email address that you believe is associated with your Apple ID. If you don't remember the email, click on Look It Up for help. Follow the on-screen instructions to identify your account. You may receive an email or a text with a verification code. Check your email or messages for the code. Once you have the code, return to the recovery page and enter it. If you've chosen email recovery, follow the instructions in the email to reset your Apple ID. For security questions, answer the questions you set up previously. After successfully answering, you will be prompted to create a new password. Ensure that your new password is strong and not similar to previous ones. After resetting, you'll receive a confirmation about your Apple ID recovery. If you do not have access to your email or phone number, select Can't access your trusted devices. Follow the instructions to recover your account using your recovery. If recovery options aren't available, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. Once you regain access, be sure to update your account information, including recovery options. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. After completing the process, take a moment to review your account settings. Your Apple ID is now recovered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.